Hi! Today I will talk about 3 areas of business in which you can apply artificial intelligence in order to make more money. Robotization of processes. Artificial intelligence helps automate many business processes. Robotization can be useful in manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. It can reduce personnel costs, reduce the risk of errors, and improve the quality of work. Data analysis. Artificial intelligence can analyze large amounts of data and make predictions based on it. This can be useful in marketing and sales, for example, to predict demand and determine pricing. It can also be useful for financial analysis to make investment decisions. Development of applications and services. Artificial intelligence can be used to create innovative applications and services that will be in demand in the market. For example, an application can be developed to teach foreign languages using neural networks. This will create a unique product that will be useful to many people. Artificial intelligence is not only a technology of the future, but also an opportunity to make money today. The main thing is not to be afraid of new technologies and start using them in your business today. Of course, in order to use artificial intelligence to make money, you need to have some knowledge and skills in this area. But you do not have to be an IT specialist to start making money with the help of artificial intelligence. You can, for example, ask for help from specialists or take courses in the basics of artificial intelligence. There are also modern services that can make anyone's job easier and earn money. We will talk about this in the following videos. By the way, this video was 80% made by artificial intelligence winking face. Subscribe to the channel. Like and write a comment about where you would like to apply artificial intelligence.